goodness, this looks so good. My Hiyashi chuka, Japanese cold noodle. I've got egg, ham, cucumber, avocado back here, and then edamame, and then nori. Itadakimasu! Woo! Oh my god, this egg. Ooey gooey. That's perfect. Ooh, here's the noodles. This is really good. The noodles and the sauce packet is very, very good. Ham. With the edamame. It's nice because it's like a salad. You can add whatever you want on top. Ooh. Okay. I like this Hiyashi chuka brand. I've had different types of ones. This one's actually really good. Whoa. Yum. So yummy. Thanks for watching.